Okay, this is T from the Fishing Gardener. This is this Dwarf Hawaiian starfruit. I mean, look at the flowers in this starfruit. Look how it's performing again. Okay, so this is a whole nother blush. And this is a baby starfruit tree, so it's not even that old. Look at the flowers on there. Hopefully this camera's focusing right here. Look at that for the starfruit. I mean, it gave us a lot. The first flush, it gave us a lot of starfruit. I didn't even expect that from a tree this size. Look at this. Just look at that. And I tipped it on the top twice this year so far, because I wanted to branch out. And it's in a 27-gallon bucket. And she's just a big tree. I mean, she's going to be a big tree. But, starfruit produce very young in age. But I really didn't expect, this is the second flush. And it started flushing basically before the last couple of starfruits came off of the tree. That's when it started to flush. So, yeah, it's just going to town. It's really crazy. I'm definitely happy about it. I can imagine how many starfruits I will have next year. But yes, that's our Dwarf Hawaiian starfruit. And that's the size of it. It was just way taller than the fence. It's still taller than the fence. Yep. Okay. So I was just bringing you, if anybody wants to get a starfruit, this is supposed to be a dwarf Hawaiian starfruit. Now, as far as it being a dwarf tree, I don't know about that. I think it's actually going to be a lot bigger than what it seems, because it had a lot of growth over this year, and it was a little stick when I got it. But if you do want a starfruit, and excuse all the noise, that's the kids going to school out on the other side. But if you want a starfruit, the texture is very, very sweet. It's very juicy and it's very, very sweet. So that's what I meant to tell you. It's a very sweet texture, very, very juicy. And this is a baby, so I'm assuming as it gets older and maturer, it'll taste even sweeter, and this is even a better tasting fruit. Okay, so if you want to know anything about the Dwarf Hawaiian, there you go, Dwarf Hawaiian starfruit. And there we go. Okay, hopefully you're having a blessed day. Enjoy. Goodbye.